Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLDB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today on this one, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on it. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. First key level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $6. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 6, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here is going to come into play, the 50-period moving average. Right now, it's sloping downwards, but if the price stays above it, it'll very quickly level off and then start to curl upwards. And that's the key right there. As it begins to curl upwards, that's where it can really help us measure the health of the move, quote-unquote the move being defined as that right there. And how so? Well, again, that line is going to move higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above a line that the line itself is moving higher and higher, well, that implies that the price itself is moving higher and higher, right? So that is why, as long as the price, first off stays above that purple line and then allows it to curl back upwards and then stays above it, that just illustrates that from the bigger picture point of view, the bulls are in full control of the trend. Again, yeah, staying above 6 would be great, but as long as the price remains above that purple line going forward, that is going to be what kind of shifts everything and shifts, the talking points, more so it being in an overall uptrend. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? So first key level, nothing fancy, just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up there around $6.45. If $6.45 going to be broken, the next key battleground going forward would be those previous highs. So let's see, one was that back there in early August, and that sits up around $6.85. So $6.45, $6.85, next two key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.